What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we have another video we're going to watch. It's called The Wolf and the Seven Little Goats Analog Horror. It's by Foxymations. Don't know what to expect, but based on this warning right now, I can already I have an idea what I'm going to expect. So after the Caseoh video, who knows? This might, we'll see. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, play.
Hey kids, Mommy is going to the forest to get food for us. Do not open the door under any circumstances while I'm away. The big bad wolf is loose in the forest, and if you open the door, he will eat you all. If he knocks on the door, you won't have any problems recognizing him. He has a gruff voice, haunting eyes, clawed hands. You will know it will not be me. Do not open the door and hide immediately until I get home. He is very dangerous.
Okay, Mom. Don't worry about us. We'll take care. Come back soon.
See you soon. Take care.
I already feel that these kids are going to do something absolutely incredibly stupid. Like, really and truly. What a world. What a world. What a world. She's not coming back, is she?
I think this much food is necessary to feed them. I better go home.
I have a quick question. What time did you start? That's the question here. What is the time that you started before you set it out on your venture? Because if you knew such a danger was lurking, why? Why?
Wolf, you scared me.
Hello. What are you doing in the forest at this time?
I'm just getting food for my kids. Please, Mr. Wolf, don't do anything to me. I have to feed my children. I just want to go home. Please.
You should be more careful. Walking in the forest at these times can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Oh no.
Guys, it's getting late and Mom hasn't come back yet. I'm getting worried.
The fact that she went out there knowing the danger, a commendable mother, but my lord. The fact that you were out there this late gathering all that food, I really that's why I had to ask the question, what time did you leave? Because like for you to wait, for you to go ahead and do this search for food until nighttime, especially with such danger outside, I gotta say, not wise, not wise.
Look, don't worry. She should be arriving soon. Mom takes a while sometimes. That's true. There was a time she took even longer than this, so I don't think there's anything to worry about. Of course there's something to worry about. Don't you remember what she told us about the big bad wolf? He's loose in the forest. What if he got her? Relax, brother. Mom is smart, and that big bad wolf is probably not a big deal. If he knocks on our door, we'll do what she told us and he'll probably go away. Okay. Guys, it's really late and our mom hasn't come back. We need to go see what happened to her. You're right, but we can't leave the house. She told us to stay here. She might have taken shelter somewhere since it's getting late. I don't know. That's true, bro. Going outside at this hour could be dangerous. Especially with the story about the big bad wolf she told us. It's better to wait until sunrise and then we'll go look for our mom. Look, I'm not gonna stay here waiting while my mom could be in danger out there in the forest. So if you're not going, I will.
Again, commendable. Worry about your mother, but however, it's hard because it's kind of like I understand the need to go look and make sure that your mother's okay, but however, there's a reason why your mom told you not to open the door. So, oh boy, he's not coming back.
Don't go, brother. It's dangerous. Who's there?
Let me, little children.
Don't you dare do it.
Your mother is here waiting for you.
No.
We're not going to open it. Go away now. We know who you are, and if you don't leave, you'll stay out there forever.
Sure.
Sure. Aight, that's it. Oh, he brazen! Like, he brazen, is he? Like, Mom, you lied to us! We didn't open the door! Now look at him! He's decided to breaking and entering through the window! Like, no! No. See, if there was any moment to go ahead and possibly open the door, or find somewhere else to hide in that house, would be right now. Right now. The fact that, and the thing is, right, we also have to go ahead and say, why would the mother even say such a thing? Why would she say, oh, I try to feed my kids. Now you've indicated to him that you have children. But then again, he is a wolf, so he could just smell the kids on her and make his way to where the scent leads. So, yeah. Oh boy. Ah! This is bullshit, man. Didn't lock the door.
Hello? Who's there?
What? Wait, hold up a minute. I'm a little lost. What the heck is this? Who is this? I'm low-key mad at the fact that he didn't lock the door. Like, why did you lock? You knew what you were hiding from. He already broke through the window. Why didn't you lock the door? Look, things are being ignored here. This is Limbo? Yes, this is Limbo. Definitely Limbo. Her. Who is that?
Guys, I think we better get out of here before we're the next.
You don't shut up! Like, why you keep talking? You don't think he can hear you? Some stupid. Why?
Next ones to be taken. I'm so scared if we leave, we're gonna get caught. But we have to go, brother. Either we try to escape and stay alive.
I can hear you! You know what, man? It's a level of stupidity here. And the fact that we got little goats out here trying to run away from a wolf that could definitely hear you. I can hear you. And now he's over here like, oh, wow, this is going to be easy. This is too damn easy. That's all he's thinking.
Or we sit here waiting to die. There's no other way.
Can you really outrun him?
Is that a camera? Yes, brother. We could record and show the footage to some local authority if we make it out alive. He's right. Let's record everything. If we make it out, someone needs to see what happened here. Okay, let's leave quietly and head toward the exit door, all together.
Meanwhile, the wolf is literally outside listening to your plan and making sure to also destroy evidence. I mean, it would be nice if y'all actually whispered instead of talking like as if that y'all don't have a homicidal maniac standing outside your room dresser. That sounds like a good plan. Am I wrong?
Alright, I think it's recording. Remember, stay silent. Let's go toward the house's exit door. Run, brother!
I doubt you cannot run that thing.
Mom! Look what he did to our mom! Come on, we need to find help!
There's still more of you?
Brother?
Uh-oh. Hansel and Gretel is in this too? That was the first thing that came to my mind when she said Hansel. With that person sitting back, I was like, Hansel? Gretel? They're in this? Well, looking at part of the description, it does say fairy tale, so I guess it's par for the course. An AK. Nice ending. Definitely a nice ending. All right. I'm telling you, man, them talking like as if that they ain't running away from a homicide or a wolf pissed me off something fierce. You can't be serious right now talking like that loud with something that definitely has really good hearing. Come on now. Anyway, but I mean, you know what? Maybe I'm a bit harsh. They were children, sort of. So yeah. All right, guys, that was the video. If you guys want to watch the original video, link to the description down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I upload. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to go ahead and comment what you thought about this video. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.